In this section, we'll show you how to properly operate your John Deere riding lawn tractor. We'll start with a look at the D100 series controls. Other John Deere tractor controls will be very similar in operation, but may be in a different location. See your operator's manual for the specific location and operation of controls for your model of mower. We'll reference all controls from your point of view as you sit in the seat. On the left side of the console is the reverse implement option or RIO switch, the throttle choke lever, the park brake lock lever, and the attachment lift lever. The park brake is located just below on the left side floorboard on some models. Other models have the brake pedal on the right side. On the right side of the console on some models are the PTO button or lever, key switch, and the cruise control lever if equipped. On the right side floorboard is the forward travel pedal and reverse travel pedal. The service reminder hour meter is located on the center of the console. And below the seat on the fender tunnel is the fuel level indicator. Other models have the fuel gauge in the dash instrument cluster. You can adjust the cutting height from 1 to 4 inches or 25 to 100 millimeters in quarter-inch or 6.4 millimeter increments. All John Deere mowers come with safety interlock systems to reduce the chances of injury. With these systems, the engine should only start when the mower blades are turned off, the park brake is locked, or brake pedal is pushed down. Always check these systems before mowing. To do this, start the engine and unlock the park brake. With the throttle in the fast position, engage the mower blades. Rise slowly up off the seat, but do not get off the machine. The engine should stop and the mower blades should stop rotating. If you find a problem with your safety interlock system, do not use your mower. Contact a John Deere dealer to troubleshoot and repair your machine. Your machine features RIO, or reverse implement option, another safety feature that you should test periodically. To check if the RIO safety feature is working, start the engine, release the brake and engage the mower blades. Next, look down and behind the machine to make sure no one is behind you. Slowly back up without using the RIO feature. The engine and mower blades, or just the mower blades, should stop automatically. That means RIO is working properly. Once all of the recommended daily checks are completed and you have made sure everyone is clear of the mowing area, you are ready to begin mowing. To start the engine, sit in the seat, make sure the PTO is disengaged and the park brake is locked. If the engine is cold, move the throttle choke lever to the choke position. If the engine is warm, move the throttle choke lever to the half-speed position. Turn the key to the start position. When the engine starts, release the key to the run position and gradually move the choke lever down to the off position. Let the engine run at high idle for a couple of minutes to warm up before operating. If the engine does not start, wait 10 seconds, then turn the key again to the start position. Caution: unnecessary engine idling may cause engine or transmission damage. Excessive idling can also cause overheating, carbon buildup, and poor performance. To move forward, release the brake and push down on the forward travel pedal. To stop the tractor, release the forward travel pedal and apply the brake, which can be used to stop the machine and as a parking brake. To move in reverse, come to a complete stop and turn and look behind the tractor and down to be sure no one or nothing is behind you. Disengage the mower and slowly press on the reverse pedal. Caution: backing up while the mower is engaged is strongly discouraged. Use the reverse implement option when operating an attachment or when repositioning the tractor with the mower engaged. If you must keep the mower blades turning while backing up, stop the tractor and look behind you and down to make sure it is safe to back up. Then push and hold in the reverse implement switch and slowly press the reverse foot pedal. Once you start to back up, release the RIO switch and reposition. Do not back up any further than is absolutely necessary. To park, set your throttle at the position recommended in your operator's manual. Then turn the key to the stop position. Always lock the park brake and always remove the key before leaving the tractor unattended. Rollover and loss of control accidents on slopes are a major cause of mowing injuries and deaths each year. Become proficient in operating the machine on flat ground before operating on slope. If you feel uneasy on the slope, don't mow it. Some slopes are simply too steep to mow with your lawnmower. Review your property using the slope gauge provided in the operator's manual, or a slope inclinometer to make sure slopes are safe to mow. Do not exceed the recommended slope operating angle. Always mow slopes at slower speeds. Mow up and down slopes with a lawn tractor. Do not mow slopes when the grass is wet to avoid losing traction. Watch closely for holes, bumps, rocks, or hidden objects that could cause a loss of control of the mower. Do not drive where the mower could slip, tip, or roll over. Never start, stop, or turn on a slope. Mow in a safe mowing pattern. Maintain a safe distance that's at least as wide as your mower between you and any bodies of water, retaining walls, or ditches. Use a string trimmer or walk-behind mower in these areas. If you feel uncomfortable or if you lose traction on a slope, stop mowing, disengage the deck, and proceed slowly and safely off the slope. Here are some tips to help you transport your mower safely on a trailer. Use a trailer with sides and a full-width loading ramp that's at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters wider than your mower. Machine wheels can slip off the ramp or trailer, causing the machine to tip over. With the trailer parked on a level surface, position the mower to drive up the ramp. With the mower deck raised, drive forward slowly in a straight line up the trailer ramp. Make sure to keep the wheels away from the ramp edges. Park the mower facing forward on the trailer so wind will not raise the hood during transport. When you are positioned on the trailer, completely lower the mower deck, lock the park brake, turn off the engine, and remove the key. Fasten the front and rear of your mower to the trailer at both sides of the frame with heavy-duty straps, chains, or cables. Direct the straps down, forward, and outward from the machine. That brings us to the end of the riding lawnmower section of this video. Always refer to your operator's manual or contact your John Deere dealer for any additional questions about mowing safety, operation, or maintenance. Thank you for watching.